her arm up higher now.
Now you over.
Here is Margaret and the residents of Shepherd's, some of the residents of Shepherd's Cove playing Wii.
A and B.
Yikes.
Got that thing on your wrist.
Hey.
Yikes.
A, hit A.
Let's see a strike there, Clyde.
You didn't do B, let loose B.
Well, I have to do it again, no.
Yeah.
The,
What am I doing wrong?
Hold out A and B, I think.
You're not letting loose the B at the right time. When the ball gets right there, see?
Hold out A and B back here.
Oh,
Swing your arm while holding down B. Then release it. When she gets right there at the line, release that B.
that's it.
swing your arm while holding down B and then release it to roll the ball.
I was doing good the other day.
That's right, you were.
Swing your arm while holding down B
Let loose.
and then release it. Margaret, help him.
Sure now.
Well, he knows how. He just can't get the finger to work, I guess. Let loose of it.
There you go. Ooh, that could be a strike. It's slowing down a little bit. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. All right, good one there. All right, pick up that spare. Pick up that spare, Clyde.
Scoot it over a little. Yeah, that's right.
There, good.
Got it.
Uh-oh.
You gotta,
Lord have mercy.
you'll get better. We haven't done
I
it.
just learned the other day about doing a little bit, but, anyway,
See, she ceilings her arm higher than I do. I guess that, I can do that. Oh, look, you got one. Okay.
All right, pick up that spare.
Get that spare, Margaret Trees.
Bingo.
Good one.
Beat it golf, I can tell you.
Here's the gallery. They're all watching.
Eva, this is my son, Bill.
Ooh, good one. Very nice one.
And
7
that's my
pins.
Granddaughter, Margaret.
Oh, wait, not ready.
I want to videotape when that.
She'll find what he's doing wrong.
Margaret, help Clyde.
show me what I'm not doing here.
You're not taking your finger off the B.
Yeah, like B is the one on the bottom.
Okay. And when I take it out now,
You want to take it off when in real life you'd be dropping the ball.
when I'm coming back right there.
When you would drop the ball and when you're really playing bowling at the point in your swing and when you drop the ball.
Okay, here. Then put your arm up. And then hold down B.
Oh, good Lord, I hate it accidentally.
Okay. And then let go.
There, good. Ooh, that's going to be a strike.
Yep.
If you've been fast, now then.
Ooh, that's going to be a hard one to pick up.
Try to get those two.
That'll be tough.
That's going to be a tough one.
You're only gonna get one if you're lucky.
Now, Clyde, it senses how hard you're throwing it too. So if you want to really put some zip on that ball, move your arm hard, just like in real bowling.
I'm gonna try that right there.
Okay. Swing your arm hard.
Then here, go back. And then.
There you go. Whoop.
I meant I turned the wrong way.
But you can see how the ball went. It sensed how hard you moved your arm.
Oh, yeah, hard.
Looks like that's the end of the game here. Well,
That's it, 179 to 94. Well, we nearly made it to 100. Okay, you're next.
I'm not, I'm just watching.
Granddad, you want to do it?
I'll try it.
All right, Granddad, get up there.
That's right. I gotta,
Clyde and Granddad, and I can play too.
I gotta read read the
So we got
answer.
4. You can play too, Clyde.
Why don't you come and
Show me out there.
coach me a time or two? That's what you did the other day.
Show me what.
Okay, I'll coach you then, okay. But I'll play too, so set it up for 4.
B is under here.
Oh,
Yeah, you play.
Sure.
and what's the other one?
Wait, who's playing?
There's 4 of it, there'll be 4. Clyde's gonna play.
So what I do?
Here is Margaret. We found her old man's name on the senior walk here. Okay, Margaret Trees. Be careful you don't get that on your jacket. Don't. Let's see. That's perfect. Didn't that worked out perfect, didn't it?
Didn't I do such a good job?
You did a great job. Let's see what it says about senior walk over here, huh? Begun by class 1906.
Can I
Contains.
take that camera, please? Can I please hold that camera?
Oh, what camera?
That camera right there.
Why?
Because I want to do it. I love video cameras.
No. We don't need to do anything.
What?
We're good. I'm going to take your picture, though.
You don't have a quarter?
Here we are.
Can I have a quarter?
No, I don't have any money on me. Here we are up in the mountains in Fayetteville. Coming very pretty. There's Margaret Trees out there.
It just shook.
It shook. It's very far out there. We're in the mountains.
Look at the little trail.
A little trail, I know.
It's kind of like a mini troll.
It's kind of like a mini. Kind of like a mini troll. Pretty neat.
Next is Margaret Treese playing Angels We Have Heard on High.
She did perfect. She did perfect.
The next performer is Constance Zanzi playing Up on the Housetop.
Christmas songs they learned this year. And of course, you should ask them to play these songs for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. That's the reason why we work so hard. Please take these. Now, happy holidays, and let's eat.
Let's see you, keep an eye on her, please.
Today's Junior's birthday.
I know it is. Keep an eye on her, Margaret. Let's see you guys run.
Ready?
She's right. Uh-oh, where'd she go? There she goes.
It's fun to get her mixed up. She ran in front of me and then I kicked her.
She's a good little girl. She doesn't even sound tired out, but you are. But Margaret's tired out. She's still right behind you. No, come here, little girl. Come here. Come here. Uh-oh. All right, pick her